Viking refrigerator model VCSB5483VC error codes. Exude sophistication with this Viking Professional 48-inch side-by-side refrigerator. The tempered glass shelves are durable and ensure optimal utilization of space, while LED lights from the top and sidewalls provide interior illumination. This Viking Professional 48-inch side-by-side refrigerator has a plasma cluster ion air purifier to eliminate mold spores and airborne bacteria while enhancing food preservation. Error codes. Code E1. Problem: compressor fault high-low amps. Code E2. Problem: condenser fan motor fault high-low amps. Code E3. Problem: evaporator thermistor sensor B fault out of range. Code E4. Problem: display thermistor sensor a fault out of range.